This event was fabulous.
This was a very great event. We had a great turnout with 377 delegates this year.
The chair was very supportive.
It was amazing working with them, and one thing I definitely liked about the school was part we can
This event was fabulous. I loved the MUN and the whole environment was very friendly and the teacher staff was very supportive. I was from IPL. Next year you should also join it.
This was a very great event organized by the Khaitan School. I loved each and everything. It was smooth going, both the days, day 1 and day 2.
It was a wonderful experience to be part of the Khaitan MUN.
We had a great turnout with 377 delegates this year.
Unlike last year, we even had a committee for the primary wing, and in total we had 8 committees.
It was a great learning experience for the entire secretariat and we were glad to be a part of it.
We, all three of us, are the executive board panel of the committee UNGA, which is technically the biggest committee of this conference. And it is very, very fun here. The food, very good. The infrastructure, very good. And the most important part, the debate happening. So all of them are well read, well researched, and they have been equipped. And one thing which is not often there in most of the conferences is that the debate time, it is little less because socials ko de diya, break ko de diya, but here the debate time is perfect. Like literally we have ample of buffer time to run our committee and we can explain them and run accordingly. So very fun experience, one of the best I have attended.
I am the vice chair for UNGA. It's really fun, the enthusiasm of the delegates. They're well equipped with whatever is going, just well researched, as Maurya sir said. Infrastructure is amazing. The rooms that we got are amazing. We got ACs. That's the best part. The food is great. The whole ambience and everything, it feels really nice. The committee is going very smoothly. So yeah.
And even the smartphone.
Yeah, the smartboard is the best part. We can draw with different colors and everything is the best part. We scribble there the whole day with the mics. The mics are also really fun. One thing I definitely liked about the school was that recognition. There was no issue in recognition. Everybody was getting equal chances, and to be honest, everything was fine. So I would like to say that nothing to dislike about in the school.
I enjoyed it. The faculty was very good. It was the best MUN.
The session was pretty good. The EBs were supportive and the food was very nice. I liked the whole session and I for sure come the next MUN.
I was in the IPL committee and I loved the whole committee. The chair was very supportive. They told us what to do, what to not do, and everything was really good.
Hello everyone, we are the secretariats of social media. It was truly an amazing experience documenting everything. It is something we can cherish even after a long time.
And I especially want to thank our teachers, our mentors, Miss Shifa ma'am and Miss Gitanjali ma'am. It was amazing working with them and I got to learn a lot about MUNs and a lot of things.
Good morning everyone. I am Mohisha Avasthi, Secretary General of the Khaitan MUN 2025. This MUN was more than just an event for me. It was a learning experience. It is where I learned to be a good leader as well as the skill of collaboration with people of all ages and all classes.